Good morning, Akshayans. How are you all? Model paper 1 video have you seen? Very good. Now thorough in lesson 1 and 2. Now we'll be revising model paper 2. Okay. The model paper 2 is divided into 2 parts. Now the part 1 we'll see today. Are you practicing, children, writing in the notebook? See, if you write again and again in the notebook, you will not do spelling mistake. That too, especially in Hindi, you are getting more sounds, letters. So, you will get sure confusion. Which ba will come, which ka will come, which cha will come. So, if you practice again and again in the notebook, then you will not commit mistake, children. Okay? When you are coming to school, teachers will be giving you often test, slip test you will be writing, class test, model paper, revision test. So, these things will make you thorough. But now you are at home, if you think only if we read it is sufficient, it's not. Okay? So please write it in the notebook, in the classwork note or in rough note. You practice once and twice. Then you will be familiar with all the letters, answers, everything. Okay, children? Very good. So let us start model paper 2 part 1. Please take model paper 2 question paper. Taken? Very good. Roman number 1. शब्दार्थ क्या दिया है? शब्दार्थ. Write English meaning. You know very well this is from third lesson and second lesson question answers. So third lesson book back meanings. I think you are very thorough. You know all the words Hindi meaning as well as English meaning. Now we have to write only English meaning for these 5 words. So what are all the words given here? पहला क्या शब्द है यहाँ? नाग. ये क्या है? नाग. नाग का मतलब क्या है? स्नेक. नाग है स्नेक. दूसरा क्या है? मेंढक. मेंढक. We'll say मेंढक for frog. मेंढक frog. Nag, snake. The next word is akar. Akar given. Actually akar. See this is ka के पास क्या आएगा? आकार. Okay? See it should be like this. का के पास एक मात्रा होना चाहिए. आकार. Akar means shape. Akar it is typed but not akar. Akar. Akar shape. बिल. दूसरा क्या है? बिल. बिल का मतलब hole. The snake used to live in the hole. So wherever you can see the holes in the forest, on the trees. So those holes are known as bill. Acha. Next word, pida. Pida means pain. Vedana, pida, same meaning, okay? Pida, in Tamil also we use the word no, vedanai. Means pida, pain. Mentally or physically if we get any pain, we'll say pida. Understood? So very good children. I hope you understood this meaning. Now let us go to the next activity. Shabdarth. Write Hindi word for the following English word. So what are you going to do? You will be writing Hindi word. See here the opposite. There we have seen in the first exercise English to Hindi. Now you are writing, Hindi to English. Now you are writing English to Hindi. But see the options are given here. For you the options. Okay. So if you are thorough, it's very easy. You can just want to take it and write. Do you want option children in the question paper? Or you will be writing of your own? Do you have confidence? Yes, I know, I will write. I don't want option. Do you think like that? Very good. Okay, now let us see. The words are What are all the words? First word is ant. क्या है पहला शब्द? Ant. What will say for ant? You read in that lesson. क्या पढ़ा आपने? जंगल, पक्षी, अंडा, चींटी, योजना. 5 words given here. What is ant for? Ant will say in Hindi. चींटी. ant को हम क्या बोलेंगे? चींटी. चींटी क्या मतलब? ant. अच्छा. The second one is forest. Forest what will say? Jungle. You know very well, even in English we'll say that word, jungle. Jungle Book. Have you read that story? Seen that video, Jungle Book? Who is that hero? Mowgli. Remember? So forest, jungle. अच्छा. दूसरा egg. Egg. Egg को हम क्या कहेंगे? अंडा. हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे? अंडा. एक अंडा. Idea. What is for idea? Yojana. Even in Tamil, have you heard this word? Nalla yosananga. Have you heard that word? So yojana. Idea, yojana. Understood? Bird. What will say for bird? Pakshi. Bird को क्या कहेंगे? Pakshi. Many words are there for bird, but here it is given Pakshi. So once again say all of you, ant, चींटी, forest, jungle, egg, अंडा, idea, योजना, bird, pakshi. Very good. Let us go to the next one. Sahi uttar likho. That is, you want to answer the following correctly, choosing the correct option. See here, question along with options. So it's very easy for you. Do you want option or you know the answer very well? Okay, let us read the first question. क्या है पहला? नाग कैसा था? So what is the first one? नाग. नाग क्या है? Snake. कैसा? How? How was the snake? Nag. Three options given. Sundar, Shant, Vishal. Sundar, what is the meaning? Beautiful. Shant, peaceful. Vishal, very big. So how was the snake according to that story? नाग कैसा था? नाग विशाल था. What is the answer? नाग विशाल था. Understood? Very good. Go to the next one. नाग बिल छोड़कर कहाँ रहने लगा? बिल होल. छोड़ना leaving. कहाँ? where. रहने लगा living. नाग बिल छोड़कर leaving the hole. Where did the snake live? Okay. Where it started living? First it was in the hole. But why it has left the hole? Because it ate nicely and started growing. Very big. The bill was very small, the hole. Cannot go inside and come outside. So it planned to leave the hole and live on the tree. Okay. Nowadays, how are you? We have not seen you for a long time. Yes or no? After this long period, when you come, how you will be, children? You will be grown up now. Even after this summer vacation, 50 days, holidays, when you come, you will be looking so smart, growing. Okay, grown up you will be looking. Now more than 5 months. So we are waiting to see you. How you are all? Okay. We'll go to the next question. Third one, see. पेड़ के नीचे क्या था? पेड़, tree. नीचे below. क्या? What? पेड़ के नीचे क्या था? What was under the tree? What was under the tree? There was a tree and somebody were living under the tree. The snake has gone above the tree, started living there. So who was under the tree? चींटू का घर. चींटू क्या है? चींटी, ant, the house of the ants. Okay. Next one, चींटी ने क्या किया? चींटी, ant. क्या किया? What it has done? What did the ant do? What it has done? ना को मारा, ना को भगाया. भगाना means chasing. What they have done? They chased the ant by biting nicely because the snake was troubling them. We should not trouble others. No, it's a very bad habit. We should do our work, they should do their work. If we are like that, no trouble for anybody. But if we go on troubling others, is it good, children? No. Next one, see, गधा क्या करना चाहता था? गधा, donkey. क्या करना चाहता? What did the donkey want to do? Chalk, wish, like, want. Okay. तो गधा क्या करना चाहता था? गाना खाना. गाना singing. खाना eating. See, one ka difference, how meanings differ. Ga, ka. Gana, kana. So what did the donkey's wish? Gana. The donkey wants to sing. So do you remember all these things? Very good. Let us go to the next one. हाँ या नहीं में उत्तर दो. Okay? हाँ या नहीं लिखो. Write yes or no. If you know the story very well, you can write yes or no. The first one, see, नाग, मेंढक और पक्षियों, सॉरी, नाग, मेंढक और पक्षियों के अंडों को खाता था. Here you want to give a pass. नाग, मेंढक और पक्षियों के अंडों को खाता था. The snake used to eat the eggs of the frog and birds. मेंढक क्या है? Frog. पक्षी, bird. अंडा, egg. खाना, eat. So the snake used to eat the eggs of the frog and birds. Is it so? Yes. हाँ. दूसरा, एकता में ताकत नहीं होती. एकता क्या है? यूनिटी. ताकत, स्ट्रेंथ. नहीं होती? नो. There is no strength in unity. Is it so? Can one ant chase the snake? All together only can do the work. Always teamwork is the best. If we want to achieve anything, a single person cannot. A teamwork, if the team is very good, the result will be very fine. Okay? So, एकता में ताकत नहीं होती. Is it? No, ताकत होती है. The unity has strength. Okay? तो यह क्या है? नहीं. Third one, see. चींटियों के बीच लड़ाई होती थी. चींटी क्या है? एंट. के बीच, इन बिटवीन. लड़ाई, quarrel. लड़ाई होती थी. There was a quarrel among ants. Is it so? Ants were biting, fighting. Bite means biting. Fight, ladai. Okay? So, are they quarreling? Ants quarreling? Have you seen ants? How they were going? Always in a proper line, queue. Have you seen ants any time going here and there simply alone? Mostly ants will be going in group that too in a very organized manner, in a line. See, we should learn discipline and unity from ants. How they live together, how they do the work in a very disciplined way. Really children, great thing nature is teaching us. So चींटी कैसे, चींटियों के बीच लड़ाई होता है क्या? नहीं. अच्छा? No. The next sentence, नाग तालाब में रहता था. नाग snake, तालाब pond, रहना live. The snake live in the pond. Whether it lived in the pond or on the tree. The snake first it was living in the hole, bill. उसके बाद क्या किया? पेड़ में रहने लगा. But what is given here? नाग तालाब में रहता था. The snake lived in the pond. Is it correct children? No. Wrong. नहीं. Last sentence. गधा और गीदड़ दोस्त थे. गधा क्या है? डोंकी. गीदड़ क्या है? जैकल, फॉक्स. दोस्त, friend. The donkey and the jackal were friends. Is it so? Yes. हाँ, दोनों दोस्त थे. तो समझ गए बच्चों हाँ या नहीं? Very good. Now let us go to the next one. स्त्रीलिंग और पुल्लिंग शब्द. So here you are going to learn, give answer about the gender. You know very well two gender, masculine gender and feminine gender. So based on that here many words given and you want to find out लिंग बताइए. लिंग बताइए means what? Say what gender it is, each word. Okay. So before going that, we'll once again revise our gender, ling portion, what you have studied. Do you remember on grammar chapter when we were learning lesson, you got some 2-3 slides about gender. What is ling? What are all the types? What words are coming under pulling, striling? Do you remember? Very good. We'll revise once again. It comes at the back of third lesson. Third lesson के पीछे क्या आता है? लिंग. Grammar portion comes. You take it. Third lesson back side लिंग. उसमें क्या दिया गया है? पढ़ो अब. पिछले कक्षा में लिंग के बारे में बताया गया. लिंग के 2 भेद होते हैं. So in the last class you have studied about ling. What is ling? Gender. When we talk about the noun, all the nouns belong to anyone. All the in the sense, in English, Tamil we'll use this ling only for the words. Okay, the words and sarvanam, that is pronoun, noun and pronoun only we'll be saying. But here in Hindi also for all noun and pronoun only we'll use ling. But one great thing what you know, even non-living things will be saying the gender. Normally we will saying the gender only for the living things in English and Tamil. In Tamil if you say aval vandal, aval means what is that? Striling, that is feminine gender. Raman kaattukku ponan, what gender it is? Aanpal they will say, masculine gender. Okay. In English also they will say he means it belongs to the which gender? Masculine gender. But you know in Hindi alone, we will be saying gender for everything, not only the names of a person, that is belongs to masculine, feminine, living things. Non-living things also we will be saying gender. For example, tree. For tree we will say gender. Doodh, milk, we will say gender. Whatever we take, we will use gender in Hindi. Okay. So this let us see now. Gender का कितना भेद है? See here. कितने भेद होता है? पुल्लिंग, स्त्रीलिंग. There are 2 types of gender. पुल्लिंग, स्त्रीलिंग, masculine gender and feminine gender. What is pulling? पुरुष जाति का बोध कराने वाला. Which gender says about the male, man? That is masculine gender. स्त्री जाति का बोध कराने वाला. Which words, that is gender, says about the feminine gender? About the girls or women or ladies, then it is known as स्त्री जाति. Okay, feminine gender. तो लिंग क्या है? लिंग का प्रभाव सर्वनाम, विशेषण, क्रिया, क्रिया विशेषण पर भी पड़ता है. So in Hindi, the gender is used not only for noun, it is used for everything. Pronoun, adjective, verb and adverb. Everywhere we are using. What is sarvanam? Pronoun. Visheshan, adjective. Kriya, verb. Kriya Visheshan, adverb. Okay? So now let us see what are all the rules they have given. It's given in your book, children. Ling pahchanne ka kuch niyam. What are all the rules to identify the gender? So see some निम्नलिखित शब्द क्या है? Let me take the yes. See स्त्रीलिंग. स्त्रीलिंग क्या है? Feminine gender. So they have given some rules. According to these rules, you can identify easily. These are all feminine gender. Okay. See, ikaranta means the end, the word end with e sound. See, the last word is split nadi, id plus e, mitai, lati, roti. So if the word end with e, then it is feminine gender. Nadiyon ke naam, the names of the rivers. See, Sarayu, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. These are all the names of the rivers. All the names of the rivers belongs to feminine gender. Akaranta Shabda. If the word end with a sound, see, Pariksha, Prarthana, Asha, Kala, Basha. If it ends like that, then what we will say? Akaranta Shabda fully, it's स्त्रीलिंग, feminine gender, स्त्रीलिंग. अच्छा, भाषाओं के नाम. भाषाओं के नाम, the name of the languages. See, Hindi, अंग्रेजी. हिंदी, हिंदी. अंग्रेजी क्या है? English. Japani, Turkey, Rusi. All the languages are स्त्रीलिंग, feminine gender. Tithiyon ke naam. Tithi means the day. Okay, which day? See, we say Paurnami, Ammavasai. After Ammavasai, the first day is known as Prathamai, Dvitiyai, Chaturthi. We say no, Sangadahara Chaturthi. One celebration in Vinayagar temple, Chaturthi they'll say. Vinayagar Chaturthi means the fourth day from Ammavasai day. Okay, so these days are known as Tithi. Paurnami, Ammavasai, these. So these all Tej, Chaturthi, Ashtami, Purnima. These are all Tithi. All these things comes under स्त्रीलिंग, feminine gender. Okay. बोलियों के नाम. बोली क्या है? The language, the spoken, the way we speak. See, language is different. Boli. Language means what we speak. Tamil, English, Malayalam, all these are all languages. But in that itself, there are some style. See, the Tamil, they will say Madura Tamil, Chennai Tamil. Have you heard like that? That is called Boli. तमिल में कई बोली होता है. मदुरई बोली. मदुरई बोली ना बोली कड़ेयाद, ईटिंग बोली. दिस इज बोली, द स्टाइल. ओके. चेन्नई तमिल. चेन्नई तमिल, चेन्नई बोली. They will speak on some different Tamil. So like that, the different style of speaking one language is coming under स्त्रीलिंग, feminine. See, Kadi Boli, Avadi, Maithili, Vrajabhasha. These are all the different types of Hindi. If you go to Uttar Pradesh, they will speak one different Hindi. In Bihar, they will speak different. Okay, these are all different types of spoken, the languages. Okay, children. Okay, now let us go. The next slide. Nimnali, the same Pullinga rules. See how they have told for Striling, feminine gender. Like that for Pulling also there are some rules. तो क्या क्या है उस वो rules क्या है? यहाँ देखो. How do we understand? पहला देशों के नाम. देश का माने क्या? Countries. The name of the countries are known as, will come under pulling, masculine gender. See, Bharat, America, France, China. These are all what? Country, name of the countries. This will come under masculine gender. पर्वतों के नाम. पर्वत क्या है? Mountain. So the name of the mountains, you know, you studied in social studies. What are they? Himalay, कैलाश, विंध्याचल, सातपुड़ा. ये सब कहाँ आएगा? It will come under masculine gender. फलों के नाम. The name of the fruits. संतरा, ऑरेंज, केला, banana, आम, mango, अमरूद, गोवा. All these fruits comes under pulling शब्द. दिनों के नाम. The name of the days. The வாரத்தின் 7 நாட்கள். You study, no, the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All these days comes under pulling. But one thing, do you remember? Tithi comes under striling. Tithi means what? I told you, no, the Amavasai, Paurnami, Ashtami, Navami, Dasami, Chaturthi, like that they say, those Tithi will come under striling. But Somavar, Mangalvar, Budhuvar, Guruvar, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will come under masculine gender. Okay? कुछ महीनों के नाम. The name of the months will come under masculine gender. Chaitra, Vaishak, March. It means Chitrai, Vaigasi, we say, no, those months, plus January, February, March, all these months comes under masculine gender. कुछ धातुओं के नाम. धातु क्या है? Minerals. Okay, the metals. What we use? Sona, gold, loha, iron, tamba, copper. So these metals all comes under masculine gender. तारों और ग्रहों के नाम. The stars and planets name. Say one star. Sun, Surya. Planets, Shukra, Mangal. Shukra means what? Venus. Mangal, Jupiter. Chandra, moon. So all the heavenly bodies comes under masculine gender. Akaranta Shabda, if the word end with a. But we study now E and A, if it end, that is striling. But this is a. Sher, a. Lekak, ik plus a. Patra, ir plus a. Parvat, it plus a. So it end with a. So if it end with a sound, that is masculine gender. Pulling. So all these, what is that? Pulling. Understood? So now you have studied all these rules about feminine gender, masculine gender, ling kya hai, ye sab padh liya. Now you do this exercise. Kaise karoge? You have to match it. Now you do by yourself. Try. I told all the rules. Now you are matching. Nadi क्या है? Feminine gender. Why? E end with E and moreover नदी E में end होता है. अच्छा. Bharat. What is that? Name of the country. So it will come under pulling. Ganga. All the name of the rivers comes under feminine gender. Santra. Name of the fruits comes under क्या? Pulling में आता है. Hindi. E में अंत होता है and moreover all the भाषा languages are striling. Sona, metal, comes under pulling. All the metals comes under pulling. भाषा आ में अंत होता है तो स्त्रीलिंग. शेर. शेर क्या है? You know very well always. शेर, शेरनी. शेरनी feminine gender, शेर masculine gender. Very good. So you understood, children, how to find ling? Fine. Now that's all. So in this model paper you have seen one part. Okay, what are all the yes or no, book back exercise meanings, choose the correct answer, all you are thorough I think. And now you recall all the rules and about ling also, gender. So please remember, revise children, practice in your notebook 2-3 times and you will be thorough. Okay, very good, have a great day.